First things first, we need to lock the wheels in place so that the stand does not move. Lock them in. Okay, once we have the bike lifted up on the stand, you'll notice that there's a little bracket here. What we're going to do is we're just going to slide that through the peg with the washer on top. Slide it through the peg and down underneath onto the link chain that's under here. And then you can tighten it up and do the both on both sides. Okay, so once we've got them both secured on both sides, they don't have to be super tight, just tight enough so that the bike doesn't rotate back and forth or rock. All we're going to do now is just lift the bike up by slowly pressing down on this pedal, and the bike will automatically lift up then. We'll go as high as we need to go. Bike is very, very stable on the stand. Won't rotate too much at all. As you can see, I'll get a good lift. I was worried about it being very tippy, but the width of the stand is actually well proportioned for the bike. And it's a YZ450, so fairly big bike for the weight and everything else, and it's still no problem at all. Just underneath that pedal, there's another little blue pedal at the very, very bottom. That pedal right there is actually to let the bike down. So all we have to do is step on that, and the hydraulics will be let down. Works very, very well.